Welcome back. This is Chapter 7 of the SQL Server training series. We have learned how to download and install SQL Server for free. In the previous videos, we learned how to create and rename SQL databases and tables. In this video, we will learn how to add columns to a SQL table, how to rename the columns, and how to delete unwanted columns from a table. First of all, we need to connect to our SQL Server, expand the databases, and this is our database we are going to use. Click New Query. Best practice is always start with the name of the database. Use Clinical System 2024. Then we are going to create our table again. Create table, and the name of the table will be dim patient. We need to provide at least one column, so we provide patient ID, and that will be an integer. We execute this, and our table created successfully. We can expand that, go under tables, and as you can see, this is our table. So let's test it. Select all from drag and drop impatient, execute that, and we can see this is our first column. Right, so what if we need to add more columns to the table? What we need to do is alter table, alter table, then it will be name of the table. So we are going to make changes to this table, and then we are going to add the name of the column. Let's say we need to provide date of birth of this patient, so it will be data type is going to be date. So if we highlight this row and execute that, right, let's say it says could not find the table, is because we forgot to add the schema name. What is schema? We will learn that in the future videos. So schema and name of the table, highlight again and execute. And sorry, I mistyped that. It should be dim patient and not dim table. Dim patient. Okay, and command completed successfully. Right, okay, so if we highlight this row, execute that, and as you can see, now it's showing two columns, patient ID and date of birth. We can also check from here, expand the table, columns, first column and the second column. If we want to change the data type of our column, we can do so. Same syntax, alter table, name of the table, dbo.dim patient. What we need to do is type alter column, name of the column, that was DOB, and we need to provide the new data type. So we want the date of birth from date to date and time. So what we can do is type date, time, highlight this, execute that, and command completed successfully. So if we refresh this again, click the column, and as you can see, the date of birth has become date and time. So this is how we can change the data type of a SQL Server column. The next thing we are going to learn in this video session is how to delete a column. In case we are not interested in this column anymore, we are not required, what we need to do is type alter table, and then name of the table, dim patient, and then we need to type drop. Anything we need to delete, we use the word drop. Either we are dropping deleting a database, deleting a table, or deleting a column, we will use the word drop. So we are dropping a column, so we'll type drop column, and then we need to provide the name of that column we just created. Highlight this and execute. Command completed successfully. If we select this now, as we can see, we left with only patient ID, and then click the table, refresh it, expand the columns, and you can see the date of birth column has disappeared. It's gone permanently. Right, so thanks for watching this video. That's all for now. In the next video, we will learn how to display data from SQL tables with the help of select, where, group by, and having clauses. And we will also use wildcards. A lot of exciting stuff. See you in the next video.